Hey Jill, so that's my sweet almond oil and it's on this little dropper bottle, and the tallow this is our own tallow that we've made, and this just happened to be an empty jar. I put our fresh tallow in there, beefy. Actually, the longer it's sat in there, it's gotten less beefy smelling. It actually smells a bit more like chocolate. So this is what I do to put it on my face. Sometimes I will I don't add any essential oils to it, probably about that much. I just go like that, press it into my face. But if I want the texture to be a bit more runny and also stops it from smelling beefy at all, 1, 2, 3, just like that. So it's a little bit messy, you know, the bottle that you pinch. Yeah, and then just like that. And rub it into your hands, on your lips, elbows, everywhere, décolletage. It's really, really lovely. So I hope that helps. Jill, this is the Tutafari one. This is one that I buy, and it's got they've put blue tansy and chamomile in there. It smells really nicely of chamomile, and it's all natural, Australian grass-fed finished tallow, and then it's got jojoba oil, however you say that, olive oil, beeswax, chamomile, and blue tansy. That's it. But yeah, the texture of this one compared to the homemade, this is more like a little bit more on the gel side, whereas the homemade's just creamy. And this is just tallow. Normally, I didn't have one to show you because Michael is he's the chef. He doesn't have any to show you, but yeah, that's all I have left. At the moment, we're using ghee. I'm just going to turn this around to Michael. How do you prepare the tallow? You get it from the butchers?
You get yourself some beef fat.
Yeah.
Chop them up into chunks of about that big. Get rid of any glands that you may see. You'll see them, you know it, and if you don't, then Brian probably knows what glands look like. Don't cook them up, it fouls the flavour. Put them into a pot that's appropriate. I get about 2 kilos at a time. Put it into a pot, stainless steel pot on the stove top. Cook it up it takes about 2 to 3 hours, slow heat. Just slowly get the heat up, get it into a simmer, and then reduce it right down to next to nothing, so it's just bubbling away. Every now and then, don't have the top on because you're trying to evaporate all the water. Every now and then just stir it a little bit. You'll see most of the fat chunks that you've put in there turn into like chips almost, and then you pour off the fat. You can chuck out the chips. I eat the chips. I let it dry and then put some salt on it, and they look like chips, but more chunky chips. So yeah, that's how you dry it off. You pour it off into a stainless steel filter, a strainer.
Yeah.
And that's it, done deal. If you're finished, you just pour it onto somewhere, a pot of some sort, stick it into the fridge. Doesn't have to go in the fridge, but we use it so quickly that's what we do.